Welcome to my shed in the suburbs. Let's go on another adventure. Today we're going to take a look at installing a hitch on my Cub Cadet zero-turn lawnmower. I bought this lawnmower a few years back, fixed it up, got it running nice, but the one thing it is missing is a hitch so I can pull my fertilizer spreader. Fortunately, on the back of this particular mower, they have two holes. So I'm just going to go ahead and bolt a hitch attachment right there. For my hitch, I went ahead and used 2x2 angle iron for the construction. I went ahead and angled the top pieces so it looks a little nicer when it's sitting on the mower and doesn't stick out and have sharp corners. I then lined up the hitch pin and found the right hole size that I needed and drilled a single hole in the top for the hitch pin to go through. I then used a piece of paper to mark out the position of the holes on the lawnmower and then drilled the two holes that will be used to mount the hitch to the lawnmower itself. Because this is a pretty light duty application, I went ahead and installed the hitch using 1/4 bolts and nylock nuts. Now that I've got it all installed, I'll hook up my fertilizer spreader. And as you can see, it works pretty good. Everything lines up nicely and it pulls great. The one adjustment I'm going to have to make at some point is the handle for the fertilizer spreader is pretty far back from the driver's seat. So I'll have to buy a new cable and run it up closer to the driver's seat so that I can turn the spreader off and on from that position. As you can see, it works great, pulls along just fine and spreads nicely. Thanks for joining me on another Suburban shed adventure, and we'll see you next time.